Okay, Mom. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here reviewing my slime and squishies.
Ready?
So yeah, let's get right into it. First, I have my slime glue mix-em. And it's like this really pretty mermaid slime. I don't know if you see all the stuff in it. It has pearls, rhinestones, rhinestones, and what else does it have in there? And fishbowl beads. So yeah, it's really pretty, and I really like it. And it's like really pretty teal color, turquoise. So that one's nice. And I have my sister's Mood Putty. It's just putty that changes clear. It's actually really pink. I'm just gonna put it on the camera. It's really pink. Lula, get out of there! And sorry, it turns clear, but I'm not gonna wait that long. So okay. Hope nobody's watching that up close because they might die. I also have my So Slime DIY. It's a really good slime. I really like it. It's really stretchy. It's got nice things in it, but there are some weird chunks in it, but it makes really good bubbles too. Like if you stretch it. Well, that wasn't very good. But anyway, it's a really good slime. You should really try it. It's amazing. So, yeah, that's the next slime. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my squishies, and then I'll come back to that. I have my cookie that has glasses. Let me tell you about this. This thing got a chunk took out of its back. When I first got it, my sister over there played with it. Sorry. And she broke it. So it also has this flower print on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm going to show it to you. So yeah, there's a lot of things with this squishy. Why does my mouth... Okay, never mind. So yeah, about that. I have these two donut squishies. I know this looks wrong. I have this one. Well, this is my sister's, but I have a teal one. It's just a mesh ball inside of a llama, pretty much. Back to this. I have some Orbeez, and they're kind of small. Oh my gosh, they're flying everywhere. Oh well. Oh, so I have some of these. Okay. Introducing Alyssa Roberts. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. They're coming at you, guys. I don't think anybody's gonna watch this, but I'm still gonna talk to you. Just in case. You never know. At least I never know. Because some people watch it, and some people are like, oh my gosh, this is the funnest video I've ever seen. Like the first video I ever made where I said, hello guys, I memorized this whole thing. So it goes, hello everyone. I am Elena Flowers, and I am going to show you how to make a fire with sticks. Now you listen to me, you people out there. And then I had bamboo sticks, and I started going, and then I went, so you should kind of check that video out. I really like it, personally, but I got a lot of hate comments on it. And one person was like, guys, stop it with the hate comments. I know it's stupid, but still, that's not nice. And I'm like, that is a hate comment, kind of. But thank you to that person who said that was not nice, even though they kind of insulted me as well by calling it stupid. But at least you stopped other people from doing it. So I appreciate that. I doubt you're going to watch this ever, but yeah. And then I have this really nice butter slime. It's not really butter slime. It's like I tried to make it butter slime. Like I used all this stuff to make butter slime, and then it never turned out like bubble slime. Butter slime. It just has a really soft texture. It's really stretchy. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like, I don't know what to call it. And it looks like butter. It's the color of butter, right? It's really nice. And it used to be a lot bigger, but I gave it to my friend. Half of it to my friend, so it's not really big anymore. But, yeah.
Ready?
And then I have this slime. If I can get it open. I'm not going to take it out. You know what? I am going to take it out. It's hard to put back in, but it's this really tiny slime that I made a really, really long time ago. Like, this was before my sister was even born. Like, not that sister. I mean, like, my baby sister. Like, this was 5 months ago. No, not even. Like, more than that. Because it was a couple days before that. Well, probably 6 months ago. I made this slime. And it's still pretty good. It smells really good. Like, it's the fluffy, DIY fluffy slime that I got at Kmart. It lasts a long time. Fart noises. So, that is my stuff. In fact, I have to go get something. I'll be right back. So this is my sister's. It's really cute. It's a little fox, we're gonna say. And it's I don't know what it is. It's a fox food. I know it's a food. I don't know what that is. It's really cute though. It's got a cute face. And those ears, they're just humongous. Like fatter, like taller, and like everything. But it's a really good squishy, good quality. So yeah. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will
don't come out of this room.
See you in my next video, because I haven't posted in a while, so I thought I would do one. Anyway, bye!